Hi everyone, my name is Parul. Welcome to my channel Parul English Lab. This video is going to be really fascinating for you all because today I'll tell you how we can use present simple tense to talk about the past. Till now we know that present simple tense is used to talk about habit and routine, universal truth, etc. But we can also use it to talk about the past. This is something new for us, and this is what we are going to learn in this video. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get into it. We generally use the present simple tense to talk about the past when we want to make the events sound that they take place in the present. Now I'll tell you some situations where we use present simple tense to talk about the past. We use present simple tense in headlines. However, whatever headlines we see in newspaper or in news, on channels, YouTube channels, those are the events that have already occurred in the past. But we use present simple tense to talk about them. For example, there's a fire breakout in the city. So here this event has already occurred. It has happened in the past, but still we are using present simple tense here because it's a headline. So there's a fire breakout in the city. A man saves a dog in an earthquake. The textile minister resigns. Tiger escapes from the zoo. So these are all headlines. However, here we are talking about the past events that have already taken place, but we are using simple present tense because these are headlines. So whenever there are headlines, they are always in present simple tense. We use present simple tense to talk about the important events in the past. For example, on 2nd April 1912, Titanic starts its first voyage. So here we are talking about the past, but because it is an important event in the past, that's why we are using present simple tense here. So on 2nd April 1912, Titanic starts its first voyage. Tata Airline, now known as Air India, begins its journey in 1932. So this way, whenever you talk about important events in the past, you can use present simple tense. We use present simple tense when we narrate a past incident like a story. For example, it's 8 o'clock in the morning. I walk towards the taxi station. Suddenly, a man comes and snatches my chain. I freeze there. So here, however, I am narrating a past incident that already have taken place, but I am using present simple tense because this is the way we narrate an incident that occurred in the past. And the last situation is when you tell a joke. So whenever we tell a joke, we use present simple tense. So these were the situations where we use present simple tense to talk about the past. Please revise this, and that's all for today. Please like and subscribe to my channel Parul English Lab, and don't forget to press the bell icon for future notifications. Thank you. Take care. Have a great day.